This decoupage pot has the look of hand painting but doesn't require any artistic skill. It's great for indoors or out, so let me show you how. For this project, you'll need a terracotta pot, tissue paper, wrapping paper, or napkins with a pattern on it, small scissors, paintbrush, Mod Podge, acrylic paint, and a waterproof sealer. Paint the pot with the acrylic paint. I like to use the same background color as my tissue paper so that I don't have to cut out the designs exactly. Don't forget the rim of the pot. Cut out your designs from the tissue paper or the wrapping paper or napkins. If you've painted your pot the same color as the background, you don't need to be too exact in your cutting. Once the paint is completely dry, you can start to add your designs. So paint a thin coat of Mod Podge on just a part of your pot and carefully place your tissue, napkin, or wrapping paper designs onto the Mod Podge. Smooth out any air bubbles. You want to have your finger wet with Mod Podge before you start to smooth any air bubbles so that you don't rip the paper. Continue around the pot adding your designs. Paint a thin coat of Mod Podge over the top of all of the designs and also to seal your pot. We'll use a waterproof sealer later, but this step is also important. Once everything is completely dry, take your pot outside and spray it with a waterproof sealer, both on the outside but especially on the inside of the pot. You might want to do 2 or 3 coats. Once the sealer is dry, you're finished. Please subscribe to my channel for more great craft ideas. There's new videos every week, so you don't want to miss one.